Hello, funnel amplifiers. It is me again with another exciting video to help you use Funnel Amplified better so that you can increase your pipeline and increase the velocity that people go through your pipeline. So, hey, let's take a look at this real exciting, cool feature that we love, which is your visitor tracking. Now, visitor tracking works with social post. As long as somebody clicks a link, we're going to be able to track that information. It also especially works really well with visitors to your content hub and to your buyer hub. So let's take a look as we come into the visitor menu on your dashboard. Now, with the visitor menu, I want you to make sure you understand we've got three tiers of individuals that you engage with, at least the terms that we use in Funnel Amplified. You have a visitor, and then you have a lead, and then you would have a buyer. And so it starts with visitors, and these are individuals that have engaged with a social post or visited your content hub. You'll notice at the top you have the filter so that you can select if you want to just see who's engaged with social clicks, with hub visitors, or of course you can get all visitors. And we get asked about this with only businesses. The reason it's preset for this filter is because some people, especially in a COVID world, are working from home and they are using their internet service provider to connect to the internet. Well, when they use that, it'll pop up on here as if they worked for that company, like for Cox Communication or AT&T, but they don't really work there. So this is the way that I use the visitor tracking tool. So in this case, I'm just going to take the first one here, that somebody from Graphic Village had engaged with one of our pieces of content. And again, it could be a social post or visited a content hub or both. So let's take a look. The first piece that you're going to see at the top is information about the company. And this is all live. This is new for me. So I'm just walking you through how I use it. So if this is a customer that is in your ABM strategy, it is somebody that is an ideal customer profile. It's somebody that you would like to engage with. This is where you can access the information about the company. Then as you scroll down, you're going to be able to see the details of the visitor. So if you click on the plus sign, what you're going to be able to see here is, even though this company, graphicvillage.com, is based in Cincinnati, Ohio, this visitor was based in Independence, Kentucky. They clicked on one of my social posts. And if you click on this icon, you could actually open up in Funnel Amplified and see the exact social post. They were on mobile Facebook. So this is somebody that was on their phone. And they went to this article on my content hub. So if I click on this, it's going to open up and take me directly to the article that they clicked on. So I'm going to go back into my hub. And now if you would like to see or start to do a little bit of investigative work to identify who this person was, what you can do is click on either LinkedIn or Sales Navigator. And what it will do, I'm going to click on Sales Navigator. And what it's going to do is open up directly to that company's page. And you're going to see that there are 87 employees at this company. So I am not going to do this for time's sake, but if you use the filters and started to identify who is based in Independence, Kentucky, you can probably narrow down who this person was. The other option, and what I do, is because this person clicked a social post from Facebook, they're probably somebody that I am connected to on Facebook. So I'd actually log into Facebook and go see Graphic Village and see who works at that company that I'm connected to on Facebook. Now, this is where it gets kind of fun. Let me back up. This is where it gets really fun. On the visitor click path down below, you can see that this person, their source was Facebook. They came to this article. And while they were there, they also clicked and moved down to this article, and they spent 2 minutes on this page. So you're getting an idea of what they're interested in. And when you click on the visitor intent, because we are actively assigning intent categories and weights to all the articles that we share, I'm getting insights as to what this person is researching, what they care about. This helps me stay ahead of them. This helps me, be able to take more articles out of my content hub and share it with this person. So let me hide that. Now, if I wanted to convert this person into a lead, I would click here and move them into a lead. And I'm going to click it. I'm going to show you that it brings in a little bit of information as you do your investigative work. Now, this is a key feature we get asked a lot. Why don't we just tell you who the person is? Legally, we can't. We can't bring in those databases with the data that we provide for you and put them onto the same page. So it's up to you at this point. If this visitor was an ideal customer for you, had a high probability of becoming a customer for you, it makes sense for you to take a little bit of time, either from LinkedIn or Facebook, to discover who this person is and add them into your database as a lead. If you're with a company that has integrated your CRM, your Salesforce, or your HubSpot or other tool, when you add this person as a lead, it is going to automatically go into your CRM as a lead, as an opportunity tagged for you. If you want to learn more about what to do from here as we convert it into this person into a lead, go into the next video that is how to move somebody from a lead into a buyer and use your content hub to nurture the lead and move them into becoming a buyer. All right, funnel amplifiers, as usual, if we can ever assist you, you've got in the bottom right corner our chat tool. We'd love to help you there. We don't want you to be frustrated. We want this to be the best tool that you use, and we want to make sure that we are making it very super easy for you. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day.